Don't invest all your money in one place. That's how people lose it fast. Let me show you where smart Americans are putting their dollars in 2025. Split your $1,000 into 4 smart parts. 1 savings for safety, 2 index funds for growth, 3 AI stocks for opportunity, for a side hustle for cash flow. Number 1. $250 in high-yield savings account. Safe foundation. Start by putting around $250 in a high-yield savings account like Marcus by Goldman Sachs or Ally Bank. You'll earn up to 4.5% interest annually, and your money stays 100% safe and liquid. This acts as your emergency fund, so you can pull it out anytime without losing value. Number 2. $300 in S&P 500 index fund, long-term growth. Next, invest $300 into an S&P 500 index fund, like Vanguard's VOO or SPD or SPY. These funds track America's top 500 companies and have averaged 8–10% annual returns for decades. This is your steady, long-term wealth builder. Just keep adding over time. Number 3. $200 in AI and tech stocks, high growth potential. Then, put about $200 into AI and technology stocks, like Nvidia, Microsoft, or Palantir. AI is exploding right now, and these companies are leading the revolution. Yes, it's a bit risky, but this is the part of your portfolio that can multiply your money if you're patient. Number 4. $250 in a small online side hustle, cash flow. Finally, invest the last $250 into something that can generate active or passive income, like starting a YouTube automation channel, affiliate website, or digital product store. This part is about creating income, not just waiting for returns. Even small efforts here can bring in $100 to $100 month after a few months. So never put all your money in one basket. Now you know where to invest smartly. Don't wait. Start today. USA Money Talks, where your money starts working for you. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, where would you invest your $1,000 this year?